welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a very quick and easy everyday WAP makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this look and try it out yourselves. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm going to start this look off with setting my face with my Makeup Revolution baking powder in the color Banana Deep, and I'm going to be using a small blending brush to blend this on like so. We are going to actually bake later on, but this is just going to set our face. Now it's time to apply our foundation, and I'm going to be using the Born This Way foundation stick by Too Faced, and it's in the color Mahogany. And of course, I'm just going to blend that out with a damp beauty blender. Now it's time to contour, and I'm going to be using this medium brownish color from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I love using eyeshadows as blushes and contours because I feel like they're so much more vibrant. And I'm going to go in with this color Secret from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette just to darken that up. And of course, we're going to snatch our nose up as well, and we're going to just use those same two colors with my small Morphe blending brush to blend that out. And now I'm going to actually bake, you guys, so I'm just going to go back in with my Makeup Revolution baking powder, but this time I'm going to use my damp beauty blender to blend that in like so, and to make sure our contour is sharp and precise. Just to darken up our contour a bit, I'm going to go back in with that medium brown shade from the Juvia's Place palette again. And now I'm going to take the butt end of the beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend in as much as possible all of my baking powder, and the rest I'm going to take my Morphe fanning brush and just blend that away. And I'm going to blend away the baking powder underneath my cheek contour later on after I'm done doing my lips. And to do my lips, I'm going to go in with my Tom Ford detailed brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Fabulous from my Morphe contour palette. Now I'm going to go in with my actual lip shade color, and that's the L'Oreal Paris Matte Lip Gloss in the color Empower. I'm just going to go back in with my Morphe fanning brush to blend away the baking powder underneath my cheeks. And now I'm just going to go back in with that brown just to line my lips up real quick, real good. And I'm going to add my lip gloss just to add that nice little pop to the look. And to set my face, I'm going to be using the Cannabis Infused Setting Spray from Makeup Revolution. And last step, I'm going to apply my lashes, you guys, and these are the Ardell lashes from Walgreens. You can get them from any drugstore, Walgreens, CVS, anything like that. But I love these because they're very inexpensive and they last me a long time. Like, for real, I've been using these for about 5 or 6 of my last makeup looks. And of course, we want to end this look off right, so I'm going to go in with my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced just to blend those lashes together and give us a pop at the bottom line of our lashes. And that's it for this WAP style everyday makeup tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.